Hello everyone! Welcome back to another platformer game creation. Today we're going to make an enemy, but I already made an enemy sprite, so go check the description. Or just make a sprite in Piskel. Now take out when flag clicked, and add point in direction 90. Put a forever loop, and add move 10 steps. Duplicate the full and put next costume inside the forever loop. Next add wait 0.001 second. Change the move 10 step to move 1 step. Change the forever loop to repeat until, and then add touching player. Add when the flag clicked and add go to X and Y, then add forever and point towards player. Then add set Y2. I might have done a tiny mistake. Just change the forever to repeat until touching player. Yay! Mission accomplished. So, with this, Pixel Studios signing off. Bye-bye.